Hello, my name is Ashley, and today I thought it'd be super fun to do a what's in my bag of everything that I'm bringing with me to So I'm gonna start off with the smaller things, and so the first thing that I'm bringing is, of course, I know a lot of people online were talking about how small it was. I think it fits everything that I need. I think that's just because I don't use too many things. So these are the things that I'm bringing. Moisturizer, pimple patches, hair tie. This is my Vicks stick. This is the Laneige lip balm, but I put it in here because I didn't need the whole thing. I have sunscreen, of course, and then these are all my earrings. Look at this really cute pouch from Daiso, by the way. But yeah, I like have my favorite hoops in here. I also have my Benetton. This is the only like makeup product thing that I do wear, but I did get this pocket blush in shade Tan Line. I've never bought any of their blushes, but something about the yellow just was calling my name. It's super small. I can also add it inside of here. But yeah, this is what she looks like. It's so cute. I'm also gonna bring this travel size of my favorite perfume, and it's like a roll-on. Next, I wanted to move on to clothes. Majority of the clothes that I'm bringing are actually pants, and at the place that I'm going to, shorts would make more sense. But a lot of these pants I have gotten within the past year or 2 years and haven't been able to wear because they're so long. And I would typically get it tailored here, but the people that I usually go to are gone. As in, like, I literally don't know what happened. They literally just closed down. And so these first pair of jeans are from PacSun. Literally got them like 6 months ago, and they fit very well at the top, but they are just too long at the bottom. So this is the second pair, and I originally got these for work, and they fit, again, they fit so well everywhere. They are just too long. So this third pair is from my favorite clothing brand, Lookin', and they actually sent this to me sometime last year as part of their ambassador program. And it's really weird because my favorite pair of jeans are actually a size small from them, and they fit perfectly fine, but this one's also a size small, and I understand that it's supposed to be baggy, but it's way too baggy. You can tell, but like the crotch area is literally 3 inches all the way down, so that's super funny. But I've been wanting to wear these ones out because I honestly just like the design of it so much, so I'm super excited to get these ones cut as well. Now this next pair is actually also from Lookin', and I literally got it last week along with this top that I'm wearing. I'm actually still deciding if I want to bring this top. I really like it. This part is just a little weird. Okay, it looks better on camera actually. Wait, if it looks better on camera, then it looks fine in person, right? But basically I got these pants literally like last week. They're super cute. They again fit so well at the waist, but it's literally like 3 inches too long. I'm also gonna bring another pair of pants, which are these cargos from Urban. They are literally my favorite pants ever, but I'm also bringing a pair of jean shorts and then these super cute blue shorts. But now moving on to my tops that I'm super excited for. I'm actually not bringing that many tops in my opinion because I plan on buying a lot more, which I shouldn't say because literally 3 months ago when I came back home and I was going through my closet, I didn't have any more hangers that can kind of fit on like the rod in the closet. So I was like, oh, I'm never gonna buy clothes again. That didn't last very long. But yeah, so these are the tops I'm wearing. This first one is this super cute yellow top from Brandy. I literally love it so much. I went into Brandy thinking I was gonna buy this one shirt. Didn't find it, but I ended up finding this one instead, and the color of it is so perfect. Next, I have this blue top from Brandy. Shout out to Chloe, you were my inspo for this. And I just like how the back you can kind of have a tie to it. It's literally all covered still. But the next shirt is, this is just a more casual shirt. It's a USC shirt, but kind of subtle in my opinion. Also yellow. Everything that I see is yellow. It has to be in my possession. Next is this super cute shirt from Uniqlo. It's like their Miffy collab. This next top is this really cute red top. I'm super excited to wear this. I really want to wear it with a white skirt. The next shirt is actually from my friend Leanne, and it's another Miffy Uniqlo collab shirt. This next top I'm super excited for. This is cute pink polka dot top, and it's off the shoulder, and I've been really liking off the shoulder tops. And lastly, this blue top with white polka dots. I'm super excited to wear rarest one because I don't typically wear anything of this silhouette, I guess is what I'm trying to say. But yeah, those were all of my tops. But the next thing that I'm bringing is, of course, my Samo Ondo bag. I paid too much money for her to not be bringing her everywhere. So right now she's a little bald. I want to choose like 2 keychains that I plan on bringing, but these are all the keychains that I'm deciding on, and I have so many keychains, so this is gonna be pretty hard. I'm also gonna be bringing my Italian charm bracelet. I feel like this is really cute because there's also gold on it. I'm also going to bring some necklaces. I'm actually working on one more necklace that I want to bring. But yeah, that is everything that I am bringing with me. I hope you liked watching this video, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye!